Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, there is a continuous upside as per 15 minutes chart, okay, after 3 hours, okay, and now it is trading at a level of $1933.96. You will see a clear picture. There is a U pattern forming. Okay, now if we go on a day wise chart, you will see clearly how the day wise the price of gold is moving. Okay, see now if you look at this particular chart, what you can see, it is trading at a level of $1934. Okay, and if the price sustain this level, chances are very high it will cross that level and a probability of going towards 1934 is there. Okay, if the price sustain above 1934, then we can see it will go further upside and a probability of going towards 1937.72 is there, and that level is already being tested here. So chances are high it will cross a level of around 1938, which is also being tested. So chances are high it will touch a level of 1939.58. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can go, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, there is a clear pattern forming. Okay, this particular, if the price sustain above a level of $1933.9, a further upside we can see, or if the price fall below a level of $1928, then a further fall we can see. Okay, chances are very high that it can sustain. Okay, and from full day we have seen there is a continuous upside. Okay, and a probability is very high it will cross a level of around $1933.9. Okay, and from there a probability of going further high we can see, and it can go towards a level of around 1937.52. if the price sustain above this level, it will cross a level of around 1937.52 and can touch a level of around 1938.1. if the price sustain above that level, a probability of going further high we can see, and it will touch a level of around $1939.5. So once the price sustain above $1939.5, it will go further upside, and then we can see a probability of going towards 1946 will be there, and this 1946 is also being tested, and after that we can see a level of 1948, and from there a probability of going 1949. Once the price sustain above that level, we can see it will go towards a level of 1953.16, and from there a further high we can see towards a level of 1955. Okay, because there is a zone breakout happening, and chances are very high after crossing a level of $1955, we can see it will cross a level of around $1958, and from there a probability of going further high we can see in the price of gold. But remember one thing, that market is uncertain, and there is economic event today, as you can see, that will be around after 4 hours. Okay, so if the price didn't sustain, because market is always uncertain, so always try to be ready with your SL and your trailing your SL. SL will save your capital and trailing SL will save your profit. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can move further down towards a level of around $1930.48 to a level of $1929.89. if the price fall below this level, we can see it will go towards today's low is at around 1928, and from there a further fall we can see. If the price didn't sustain today's low, we can see it will touch a level of 1927.26, and if the price fall below 1927.26, we can see it will touch a level of $1924.46, and once the price sustain below that level, a further fall we can see towards a level of 1920. Okay, and if the price fall below 1920, we can see a level of 1917 to a level of $1915. Okay, so once the price fall below 1917 to a level of 1915, and then we can see it will fall further down towards 1912, and then you can see it will go towards a level of 1905. Keep that in mind. If the price fall below 1928, a further fall we can see, and if the price fall below 1915, a fall towards 1907 we can see, and then further low. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe. Thank you.